Hi. What I should do for this video. I didn't really plan making it. I was just like, this weird bump on my head. Ah! There it is. Just don't look at it. Stuffed animals. Or you could listen to two of Aria's new songs. Hey, that's a good idea. Thanks.
Do you see that guy over there looking in the lingerie section?
Hey, how's it going? My name's Aria. I just have a quick question. I'd like to shake your hand before you understand. I'd like to ask you a quick question, please. Why were you shopping in the lingerie section? If I'm correct, that's just for ladies. You can't shop in the lingerie section because it's not for you unless you're gay. I think that's highly unlikely for you. Do you have a girlfriend? I don't think so. Just so you know, I'd like to know why you were shopping over there. 'Cause I saw you and I called you quickly over here. What's your name?
My name's George.
Hey George, how's it going? Just a quick question, why were you shopping in the lingerie section? You can't shop there because you're not a woman. You can't shop in the lingerie section unless you're gay or have a girlfriend. Whoa! Don't shop in the lingerie section. Are you gonna answer my question, George? Or I don't remember your name. What was it?
It's George.
Okay, George, why were you shopping in the lingerie section?
'Cause I don't really want to tell you because I don't know you that well.
Okay, I'll just walk away right now. Goodbye. Okay. Yeah. I shouldn't have bit my dog's nose. No, no, no. Now I bet he's crying in the bathroom using a Kleenex, wiping his tears, sitting on the toilet taking a poopy, reading the newspaper. I guess it's the New York Times. Well, you can't pee in the toilet. No, you're not peeing in the toilet because you're missing the toilet. Well, who's gonna clean this up? Well, who is gonna clean this up? I guess me, because you don't have thumbs. I guess me, because you don't have thumbs. Let's go for a walk in the park, chase the dogs, listen to the river run. Then I'll let you off your leash so you can smell some little kid's bottom. Then kick her in the river, and then later I'll drop my ice cream 'cause I was talking on the phone and you'll lick it off the concrete. Yeah, who's gonna clean this up? Who's gonna clean this up? Well, who's gonna clean this up? I guess you, because you are disgusting. You, because you are disgusting. Just kidding, I'm just kidding, it's okay. I'm just kidding, it's okay. Because I'm just kidding, it's okay. Because I'm just kidding. Well, who's gonna clean this up? Well, who is gonna I guess me, because you don't have thumbs. I guess you, because you are disgusting. Just kidding.
Look, it's a mini tree. Bye.